Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Uh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
we are from English department, and we will do debate. And the topic is Islam is a gender religion. And we have pro and contra team. And for pro team, time is yours.
Okay, I am Halimato Sadiah. I am pro team. The argumentation Islam is indeed a gender religion. In Islam, it is explained that the position of man and woman is equal, which proves there are several verses of the Quran that explain this. It's just that what distinguishes it might be fight and good deeds that are done. In Islamic social life also teaches equality between men and women, but of them have a role and can work together in building a just, peaceful community, live and always receiving God's grace, and also the realization of brotherhood. Therefore, Islam is a gender religion that provides harmony in living social life in society.
Okay, next pro team.
Rijalul Al-Kausar Nusri from the Pro Team. Discussion on gender is to have been widely raised but among the public and among academics, especially in Indonesia. The focus of discussion was general in nature, especially regarding women's rights and the women. So in Islam, there is also discussion about this. Islam is a basic doctrine of teaching that guides human life. Islamic Sharia is first aspect contains profound wisdom from humans. One of the aspects referred to is the wisdom of gender equality between men and women. There are many views that discredit Sharia as a basic concept of life that does not recognize the existence of the gender equality between men and women in the context of social roles and the status. 3. This view becomes an anticlimax of the lack of in-depth study of the doctrine of Sharia, even though the patterns of reaction of relation between men and women have been regulated in Sharia according the respect natural. Thank you.
My
Next.
name is Yudinda Ahmad Faruqi. I'm pro team. I will give my opinion about Islam is gender. Religion talking about gender. It cannot be separated from the gender problem. In the presence of good, men and women who have the same degree. But fear Islam do not educate the nationalism of men and women. as human being. It is precisely the religion of Islam that free women from the culture of ignorance in the past. Thanks.
Okay, thank you for pro team. Next, contra team. Time is yours.
Okay, I'm Tasha. I'm contra team. Islam is a general religion. Islam has boundaries between men and women that cannot be equal. Men are usually the leader, at least the leader of the issue. Meanwhile, women cannot be leader when the are men women are very gentle and even weak. They are protected and prioritized. Men are obliged to protect women. There are many gender differences among them. In Islam, men are required to pray at the mosque in Jerusalem, while women are not. Further, prayers are only required for men and women, not from this. There is not gender equality in Islam. Okay, thanks. Next.
Next, please, contra team. Aska, please.
Oh, okay. This is Aska from Contra Team. I want to ask Jody if gender equality is really exists. Can you give me an example of ayat or hadith that describe it?
Sorry. Can you give your argument, not a question?
Oh, sorry. Okay. It is true gender equality is a great thing in our world, but Islam is not described about gender equality from a long time ago. We can see a lot of history from it, like our prophet story can be seen that many men are more equal in many things than women. But in this era, the gender equality has been dismissed by many things and getting weaker within time. So I don't agree as Islam as a gender equality because the Islam people now doesn't do the gender equality that has been described by the pro team. So that's my argument. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I will tell you about my opinion. My name is Arif Rahman from Contra Team. I think Islam is not a gender religion because, in my opinion, everyone has the right and agency to choose the religion the way they want to follow, whether male or female. There is no difference from them. In addition, in Islamic teaching, nothing states that this religion is only prioritized for men or women. So Islam is not gender religion. That is from me. Thank you. From Contra team or Pro team, do you have any question?
Yes, I have question for Leah. I want to ask Halima if there is gender equality, isn't okay for thing that usually men can be done by women. Yeah.
Okay, Tasya. I will try to answer the questions from Tasha about gender equality and what to do. The answer: there is a gender equality in the position that men are equal or equal to women. That is usually done is being able to work together in building a just and peaceful community life for harmony in living social life. That's the answer from me to the question from Tasha. Is my answer correct, Tasha? Thank you.
Thank you, Lia. Next.
Okay, next, any question?
This is already Astra from Contra Team. I want to ask Yodi. It's true gender equality are important thing, but why in our religion that thing does not implemented too much? Do you know why?
Wait, Alka. Al. I will answer the question from Al. In the preamble of this book, say Imam Zaki al-Barudi explained that in fact the matter was explained by the Prophet in the Hadith narrated by Abu Dawud, which means in fact women are brothers, so it does not make supporting paragraph of the Hujarat letter first. Thanks.
Next, any question? Hello? Hello?
Yes?
Any question?
No.
Okay.
I have yeah.
Sorry? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear, Arif?
Okay. I will close this debate. Thank you for all participants. Thank you for Contra team and thank you for Pro team. That is our debate about Islam is a gender religion. I think that is all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.